Yo, what's up? It's day 19 of my journey. Um, I'll get right into it. No Bible recap today, just my trade recap because I read the second Corinthians from Paul. Or yeah, should be. Um, and he kind of just talked to the community that he was planning to visit, and he talked about that he would, or that they shouldn't be having incest and stuff like that, and that they should forgive each other. So starting on the 4 hour, so this candle always forms during London session, so I can't use that. No news today. We were bearish as we have this break of structure right here, and then no break back to the upside. Then this, I marked out this high back here to get swept potentially. And then, no, it should be around about, yeah, here. And then I went down to the 1 hour where I first thought, I don't know why, that we were bullish, but yeah, we were bearish here as well with the break of structure to the downside. We had a liquidity sweep of this high right here with these candles, and then I marked out this as my order block, and then I started after that liquidity was swept. I went down to the 5-minute, and then I marked out the order block that didn't get hit, and then I just started looking for other things such as equilibrium and then different fair value gaps. So I marked out this one, and then we got back up, and we stopped until or we went straight back up, filled all these imbalances until we hit equilibrium, and also almost filled this fair value gap, and then we broke out. When we broke out, I think I entered like somewhere here probably. My stop loss was, yeah, something like this. And then when I entered, I didn't want to put my stop loss all the way above the liquidity, because then I would have had a terrible stop loss, like 50 pips, and also my risk to reward would have been shit. So I just put it above the fair value gap and almost meeting this, which was great because later the fair value gap got filled. And then I had a really amazing risk to reward, like 1 to 5, 1 to 6 originally, but I moved it around, so it's a bit different now. Then I almost got stopped out, but my stop was a bit higher than that. Then I hit take profit 1, closed out half of my position. Then I moved my stop loss to break even. It really quickly hit take profit 2, and then I moved my stop loss to here, and then I just got absolutely edged against my TP, but it didn't hit it. And then somewhere around here I decided to just move my stop loss to take profit 2, and that obviously got filled here. I guess great, so it doesn't close right there. But yeah, really nice trade, 1 to 5. Obviously I took partials here and here. But yeah, let me show it to you. I'll also post about it on social media. But if we go to my MetaTrader, and then I will make myself big. Hold on, let me take this. massive. Okay, so if the camera would focus, you can see where I sold back at the top, and then bought again like round about here, and then here where my the other half of my position was exited. And that would have made me, obviously on a 100k demo account, would have made me around 2.5k in dollars, a little bit less in euros, but I like nice looking money, so I'll use euros. And yeah, I guess that was it. Really great trade. Stuck to my strategy. I kind of rushed this a bit, because if we go back to the 1 hour, this in my opinion, it looked a bit trash. So that this is the highest kind of, I don't know if you could already call that a doji, but that just looked bad to me, and so that this was the liquidity sweep was a bit, yeah, I didn't really like that, but it played out great, so good for me. And then another thing would be that I entered like here, I think, yeah, at 10:20 I entered, and before that happened, price had only just, like, you have to really scroll to see that it got above the half before it broke down. So I should have waited probably for this move, where it just went back down then, because it properly hit the half mark this time. But yeah, rest was flawlessly executed. I thought about taking profits here, but then I remembered that I will always stick to my strategy, so I didn't. Maybe I would have made a quick buck now, but I think that would have fucked my psychology, so I didn't do it. And that was it. See you tomorrow. I will have to study, or I still have to study a lot, and then I'll have to go to the gym, and that will be the rest of my day. See you tomorrow. Bye.